I ride every year. How to take over the world! Oh, of course. You're going to do it differently each time. You're going to learn from your failures the previous year and then take over in a different world. Well, no, that's not the lack of try. I think that's important to differentiate that. It's not the lack of try.
Talking about mad scientists and superheroes.
Oh yeah?
And sock puppets. Very surprising manner. Oh yes, most surprising.
I'm writing in totally non-fiction, theoretically, expose on the place where I worked for the last 9 years, the Anglican Church. So shit's going to hit the fan, basically. It'll get published when I quit.
I'm a bit undecided. I'm thinking of writing a political thriller, or maybe a science fiction set in about the next 10 years. So it could have elements of both. It could end up being sort of a bit like a lead child's, two-fisted romp through American politics, but it could also end up being a sort of weird, space theme. Obama decides to send people to Mars. Yeah, weird is good.
I'm writing a very uplifting, tragic story about the mental struggle against a city that just should not exist. Sydney. Two at most. No, not in the entire years I've done Nano. In 2004, I can't say I've written more than 10,000 words in total since 2004. It's a story about a school that gets closed, which is like no zombies, no wolves, no vampires, no one sparkles. It's really very unmarketable. It's very depressing.
I was writing the first chapter, and I'm writing, I think, like the 5th, 10th, and 15th chapter. Well, it's sort of like teamwork, except where everyone works against each other. We'll see.
I'm just going to work on finishing it off. I didn't finish last year about the Mad Scientist University.
Space adventures on different planets and destruction of the Earth.
A super awesome feminist critique of the Odyssey, starring Melantho the Serving Maid. I'm writing up a D&D campaign. Story about a nana who turns out to be a demon.
Science fiction, throwing space stations into planets and starting a war and tango.
And with a bunch of idiot politicians. Actually, it's not fiction. I think that's against the rules. Yeah.
I'm writing a novel about a proofreader who finds a hidden message in a manuscript, and it's a big mystery and stuff, and then apparently there are